Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will start with TestNG Listener. This is very important topic. Okay, so let's get started. TestNG provide us the @listeners. Okay, which listens to every event that occur in Selenium code. Listeners are activated either before the test or after the test. It is an interface. Okay, remember it is an interface that modify the test engine behavior. For example, when you are running a test case either through Selenium or APM, suddenly a test failed. You need a screenshot for the test case that has been failed. To achieve such scenario, test engine provide a mechanism listener where test case failure occurs, then it is redirected and you can view the screenshot. Listener is I test listener is our interface. Okay, so in this we have some method on test start, on test success, on test failure, on test skipped, on test failed but within success percentage, on start, on finish. So on start is invoked only when the test method gets started. On test success method is executed on the success of a test method. On test failure and on test failure method is invoked when test method fails. On test skipped run only when any test method is skipped. This is invoked with each time when the test method fails but within success percentage. On start method will execute on the start of any test method. On finish is executed or invoked when any test finishes the execution. How you will create test ng listener. So we have one class. Okay, here we are summing the value and test to fail, then test case has been failed and else or fall. This we have put it. Okay, now listeners we have, so we will write implement I test listener. So now this is our listener class. On test start, on test success, like simple message we are printing, and result, here we have I test result dot get name. On test failure we have result dot get name, get result dot get name. On test skipped, on test failed with within success percentage, same result dot get name. Okay, when the sum test case has been passed, the test end calls the on test success listener. When test of fail test case has been failed, then on test failure will be called. Okay, so 12 success, success message one will come. This is failed, then failure. So see where it is, the on test success. So this line is written. Now result dot get name will be the method name. So sum we have and second test to fail. So sum is printed, get name, and second test to fail. Okay, so like this you will get the out. Now one more we have. Okay, this assert true we have kept pass and this is for fail. Okay, and we have taken I test result, I test result, on test success, on test failed, on test skip, everything we have written. Okay, so let's see the output. Here also if you have to provide the listener class name, this is the class name. Okay, so success of test case is defined test of fail, success of test case and result and test of pass. Okay, on test failure, success of test case not game. So this is executed because here we are checking test to pass true, false, then this condition is also true, both conditions are true, so on test success will be executed. Okay, so this line will come and with both the test name, method name same. See, okay, if you have any question related to this, please do comment. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, do like my video, do share. Thank you. Bye bye.